Really, I appreciate the gesture shown by the UNC and the Naga peoples. But on the other side, it is very unfortunate the 6 persons Naga brothers found dead. So I think appropriate action should be taken up immediately by the government so that the culprit can be punished at our place.
Thank you, sir.
Community apumana sarugari you see, in the recent development, the new DG has come and some department like law and orders has been shifted to some capable DG, and there's some changes in the the portfolios like departments in the sector has been taken place. Moreover, above this, the central government has sent the CRPF Cobra teams. It was assured earlier by the government of India so that effective in dealing with the militants will not be compromised. So I think situation will be improved. I fully trust on the present DGP and CRPF DG also recently came here. And the security measures will definitely take up and definitely will help in bringing peace in the state of Manipur. So, to appeal to the whole community to calm down. We should leave violence. There is no place of violence in humanity. Whatever the grievances and the problems, we should have talk, discussion. Only then, every crisis should bring through dialogue, and the peace can be prevail in the state of Manipur. I convey my deepest condolences. I am sharing and conveying my deepest condolences to the family of the victim.
Thank you so much.